So the next thing coming on the channel, we will be talking to my good friend and West Coast correspondent, Dan, who I just helped buy his first Lotus Elise. And actually over the last few months, a number of you have written to me and emailed me and gotten in touch with me and asked me for my advice on various Lotus Elise that you've seen for sale. And I've helped a couple of you buy them, which has been a pretty awesome experience. But anyhow, I helped my friend Dan buy a 2006 Phantom Black Lotus Elise that was actually listed up here in Connecticut. And I went to see the car and test drove it for him. And he bought it from San Diego and had it shipped out and just got it a couple of weeks ago. This is a 2006 in Phantom Black, which is just this gorgeous deep black color. An interior that's sort of somewhere in between biscuit and like light cream. And it has diamond stitching. It seems like it's a fairly rare spec interior. His also has the touring package and the sports package, and his also has the limited slip differential. So it's a pretty rare combination. I think there's a pretty good chance that it might be the only one spec'd out the way he's got it. So he's going to be on the channel in the next week or so. We're going to talk about what it's like to buy a Lotus Elise from across the country and sort of all of the things involved in doing that. We did a pre-purchase inspection on it. We had to have it shipped. Doing financing, all of those things were things that we did, and it's a pretty, I think, common experience now if you're shopping for an Elise, because the inventory across the country seems like it's getting lower and lower. Over the last few months, there were just kind of fewer and fewer really good-looking cars available, and the prices seem to be holding very steady, maybe or even on a slight uptick right now. So if you're buying an Elise and shopping for one, there's a pretty good chance that it's something that you might have to have shipped. So I think it's going to be pretty cool to talk to someone who's, you know, gone through the entire experience very recently and can talk about what it was like, all the little things to look out for, and also talk about maybe the first month of Lotus Elise ownership. So anyhow, that's sort of the channel update for now, and I'm really looking forward to season 2 of Little Lost Lotus videos now that we are back. And so one of the ways you can help with that is if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it. It just tells YouTube that this is something that you like, and we'll keep you up to date on all new video drops. You'll be able to see it right away. And as always, if you have a comment or a question that you'd like to have answered, especially on the Elise or the Exige that I can answer or make a video about, that's obviously the best. So make sure to leave comments, likes, dislikes. I don't know. How could you dislike this channel? And comments and questions in the area down below this. And thank you for watching.